Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of PPC Academy. My name is Luca and today I'll be talking about how to get the most out of your budget on Amazon. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you have questions or suggestions regarding the next PPC topics. So let's start. So the budget is the amount of money you're willing to spend on Amazon PPC. If you know the amount you are unwilling to go over, you can set the budget cap. So the budget cap can be set on a whole account level, portfolio level, and campaign level. Once you reach the desired amount set as your budget cap, your campaigns will stop delivering. You can set the budget cap, as mentioned before, on a campaign level, but not on all campaigns. Wherever you place your budget cap, whether it's on account, portfolio, or campaign level, it is only set for sponsored products campaigns. So the budget cap does not affect the spending on sponsored display and sponsored brands campaigns. So please remember that you will probably spend a bit more than you wish, depending on the campaign performance. With this in mind, set your budget cap a bit lower than you would want to. You can set the budget to be renewed every month or create a custom date range for it. This means that once the date is up, you'll have to set another custom date range for your budget cap. When it comes to recommended budget per campaign, we like to start with at least $10 to $20 per campaign daily. So please note that you will not always spend the whole daily budget, and by tracking the performance and optimization, you will easily control your daily spend. With a new option that Amazon introduced called Budgets, you can track your campaign's budget used, estimated impression, clicks, and sales that are missed if you're out of budget, and a bunch of other cool stuff. So you make sure you check this option out to get the most out of your budgets. I hope you guys enjoyed our video about the budgets, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel as we got new episodes coming up, and leave your questions in the comment section down below and follow us on all social media so you never miss any news from Seller's Alley. Take care.